Businessman killed in Anchovy home invasion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A businessman was shot and killed in a home invasion in Anchovy, Portland early Thursday morning. He has been identified as Albert Lindsay, otherwise called Bugsy. He is said to have been in his 60s. Lindsay was the operator of Anna Banana restaurant on Folly Road in Port Antonio. Police reports are that between 5:30 and 6:30 a.m., men traveling on motorcycle went to Lindsay's house and attacked him. He was shot multiple times and was pronounced dead at hospital. The incident has increased to 5 the number of people murdered in Portland since the start of the year. On Tuesday, a fruit vendor was shot and killed at his stall in Brownbrook in the Portland capital. The police have not yet established a motive for Mr. Lindsay's murder. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.